Hello.
And welcome to That's English.
In today's programme, we're going to watch another episode of Park Hotel.
Today we're talking about traditions, tradiciones.
But before that, let's see the names of two important traditions. Bonfire Night, La Noche de las Hogueras.
Yes, Bonfire Night is a British tradition.
And Thanksgiving, Acción de Gracias.
Thanksgiving is an American tradition. Finally, look at this picture of a Thanksgiving meal. What are they eating?
It's turkey, pavo, turkey. Now let's watch. First, look at this question.
Is turkey the main dish at the Bonfire Night dinner?
Is turkey the main dish at the Bonfire Night dinner?
Can I have something healthy for breakfast? I don't want a pumpkin or a toffee apple.
Oh, yes. Halloween was last week. We don't need pumpkins now. It's bonfire night tonight.
Well, I'm not going to have anything healthy. I'm going to have the full English breakfast.
Are you visiting London for work, sir?
Yes, I've got some meetings in London, but we're also going to do something different this evening.
That's right. We're having dinner with some friends.
Bonfire night dinner. Is that something you celebrate in the USA?
Not at all. We're going to see something new.
We're in the kitchen. Come through.
Hello, Colby. Hello, Michelle.
Hello.
It's lovely to see you.
Hi.
Would you like anything to drink?
I'd like a glass of fruit juice, please.
Can I have a glass of water, please? How are you, Russell?
I'm fine. Have you done anything interesting since you arrived in the UK? Have you seen anyone? Have you been anywhere nice?
Oh, I've only been in business meetings, really. What are you cooking?
It's traditional bonfire night food. It's called Toad in the Hole.
Toad in the hole? Does it taste nice?
French people eat frogs.
It's not toads or frogs. It's sausages. It's delicious. We're also having tomato soup, baked potatoes, ginger cake, and toffee apples. Do you have anything like that in the USA?
We eat something similar at Halloween. We make pumpkin pie, a kind of cake, and we have toffee apples.
What about Thanksgiving? We don't celebrate it in the UK.
It's a really important day in the USA. We always have turkey for Thanksgiving. Everyone here in Britain eats turkey for Christmas, right?
Not everyone. A lot of people eat turkey, but you can eat anything. Ham, beef, lamb.
Hello! This is Andrea.
Hi.
Hi. Everyone in the street has already started their bonfires. There's smoke everywhere.
Come on then, let's go and start the fire. Light some fireworks, burn the guy, play games and eat.
Who's the guy? Is it someone we know? And why are we burning him?
Some traditions can be so surprising.
Oh, yes. Now, do you remember the question?
Is turkey the main dish at the Bonfire Night dinner?
What are you cooking?
It's traditional bonfire night food.
It's sausages. It's delicious.
That's right, it's not turkey. He's cooking a dish called Toad in the Hole with sausages.
Yes, and what about the rest of the menu? Watch.
We're also having tomato soup, baked potatoes, ginger cake, and toffee apples.
Yes, tomato soup, baked potatoes, ginger cake, pastel de jengibre, and toffee apples, manzanas caramelizadas. Hemos escuchado cómo referirse a cosas de manera indefinida. Watch again.
Yes, I've got some meetings in London, but we're also going to do something different this evening. We're going to see something new.
Fíjate en que han utilizado la palabra something.
We eat something similar at Halloween.
También podemos de la misma manera referirnos a personas utilizando someone y a lugares utilizando somewhere. Ashley, someone phoned you today.
And someone brought you flowers.
Really? Where are my flowers?
They are somewhere in the studio.
Ahora fíjate en la forma interrogativa.
Do you have anything like that in the USA?
Sí, se utiliza anything, anyone y anywhere.
Have you done anything interesting since you arrived in the UK? Have you seen anyone? Have you been anywhere nice?
Y también se utilizan estas formas para las frases negativas.
I don't want to talk to anyone. And I don't want to go anywhere.
Really?
No, it's just an example.
Now, watch again.
Come on then, let's go and start the fire. Light some fireworks, burn the guy, play games and eat.
Who's the guy?
Well, the guy's real name was Guy Fawkes, and he is a very famous figure from British history.
Un personaje muy conocido de la historia de Gran Bretaña.
OK, let's continue with the episode. Can you answer this question? What date is it in the video? ¿Qué fecha es?
So who was Guy Fawkes? Did he do anything important?
Guy Fawkes was a Catholic. He tried to destroy the Houses of Parliament in
1605. However, the king discovered the plan and executed him.
So, you celebrate Bonfire Night, and you burn Guy Fawkes, who was a Catholic. Is it okay to do this?
It's tradition.
Do you have other Bonfire Night traditions?
We play duck apple.
Duck? Apple? Do you eat ducks and apples?
No, it's a game. Watch. You duck your head and you take the apples from the water, like this.
You use your teeth.
It's quite difficult.
All right. We call it bobbing for apples. We play it on Halloween. Cool.
Oh. Okay, my turn.
I love fireworks and I love bonfire night food.
Me too. We have lots of fireworks on the 4th of July in the USA.
Would anyone like anything else to eat or drink?
Can I have some toad in the hole, please? I know it's not healthy, but on the other hand, it is absolutely delicious.
What other traditions do you have in the UK, Andrea?
April Fool's Day, Halloween, St. Valentine's Day, Christmas, Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day.
Stop, please. I thought Britain was a modern country.
It is. However, we've got a lot of traditions.
Yes, Halloween is the 31st of October. It's a scary night. Ghosts and monsters. Like in the USA. Christmas and Easter are religious festivals.
What do you do on April Fool's Day?
On April 1st, we play tricks and make jokes. But you can only play tricks in the morning until 12 o'clock midday.
It's okay, it's a plastic bat. It's April Fool's.
But it isn't April the 1st tonight, Russell. It's November the 5th.
Full English breakfast, sir?
No, thank you. I ate a lot of toad in the hole last night.
Yes, you did. On the other hand, we learned a lot about British traditions.
Traditions? Oh, yes. I always give a card and a present to Rob on Valentine's Day.
Oh, that's very romantic. Colby always forgets Valentine's Day.
However, I never forget Mother's Day. I send my mom flowers and a card.
Yes. On the one hand, it's very good to remember Mother's Day.
But on the other hand, it's very bad to forget your wife on Valentine's Day.
She's right. Grr.
It's very important to remember Valentine's Day.
Oh, yes, Valentine's Day. Very important. What date is it in the video?
But it isn't April the 1st tonight, Russell. It's November the 5th.
That's right. It's November the 5th.
Of course, it's November the 5th. It's Bonfire Night. In the video, we saw people contrasting. Contrastar ideas. Contrasting. Watch.
Guy Fawkes was a Catholic. He tried to destroy the Houses of Parliament in
1605. However, the king discovered the plan and executed him.
This is Guy Fawkes. In 1605, he tried to destroy the Houses of Parliament in London.
However, the king discovered the plan. The king executed Guy Fawkes.
However, sin embargo. Fíjate que however nos sirve para introducir un contraste con lo que se ha dicho previamente. Watch again.
I thought Britain was a modern country.
It is. However, we've got a lot of traditions.
Oh, that's very romantic. Colby always forgets Valentine's Day.
However, I never forget Mother's Day. I send my mom flowers and a card.
And we can also use on the other hand. Por otra parte. Watch.
Can I have some toad in the hole, please? I know it's not healthy, but on the other hand, it is absolutely delicious.
Y también podemos contrastar dos ideas utilizando on the one hand, but on the other hand. Es decir, por una parte, pero por otra. Watch.
Yes. On the one hand, it's very good to remember Mother's Day.
But on the other hand, it's very bad to forget your wife on Valentine's Day.
Well, that's all for today. But there's just time for our question. We asked some people in the street this question. How do you celebrate Christmas?
I have Christmas with all my family, so my grandparents come over and we have a big roast dinner, and we have Christmas presents and we go to church in the evening.
We have a turkey. Traditionally, I should say, yeah.
Family.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Family's a big one on Christmas.
Yeah.
Just get the whole family round.
I spend it with family. I love spending my Christmas with family.
Together with family.
Family. The family.
Yeah, always family.
Christmas is a time for family, traditions, presents.
And food. I love turkey, Christmas pudding.
Yes, a big roast, un buen asado.
Mmm.
Well, that's all we've got time for today. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.